Digitization is everywhere. We all have witnessed the urgency of going digital in the pandemic times. Hello everyone, I am Namrata, Associate Director of Product Development at Techugo. In our last video, we talked about how competitive the dairy industry is and how going digital is making businesses profitable. India is world's largest producer and consumer of milk. Milk demand is expected to rise to 266.5 million tons by 2030, according to the study by National Dairy Development Board. Digitalization is everywhere. From farm management, which includes using technology to monitor cattle health and productivity, to milk procurement comprising of automatic milk collection systems and bulk milk collection systems. We all have witnessed the urgency of going digital in the pandemic times. Post this, there is nothing to hold you back. We can help you to create your dream app and build your brand. You have two options: either develop an app from scratch, also known as custom app development, or use a ready-made platform, also known as a white label app development. Have I confused you? Let me simplify it for you. You can choose a white label app if you don't have enough budget for a custom app development. You need an application right now. You just need some basic functionalities, no complex functionality. And lastly, you want to test your idea with a minimum investment. You can choose custom app development if you are in a highly competitive market. You need a great performance app. You need a complex functionality to provide a service. And lastly and importantly, your mobile app is also a source of your revenue. Talking about our industry, there are few good white label solutions available, but you can only rely on them for your initial years of the business. We have seen people migrate to custom app development, and we have given a perfect solution with regard to their requirements and business needs. The major reasons for this migration from any white label or SaaS are due to: first, lack of control. Second, security and data concerns. Third, connectivity requirement. Lastly, performance. Here at Techugo, we focus our services on custom app development. We can help you build a brand even when your idea has hundreds of other similar applications in the store. What makes your app different from the rest is the fact that your app is a reflection of your idea. We will start our journey with product and branding workshop. Real-time updates. You don't have to rely on any vendor to make changes in the app design or framework. With custom app development, we allow our clients to extend their app to other platforms or add and remove certain features according to what they think would best represent their idea. Power to decide your own tech stack. The biggest and the most crucial advantage you can get out of a custom app development is deciding your own technology stack. This is a major contributor to stability and scalability. We'll be here to help you make better decisions for your business. You can send your queries related to any sort of technical consultation to us. Thank you for watching this. Follow and subscribe us for latest tech updates.